In this video, we will be looking at part 2 of managing resource bookings in Edulink One. We will cover how to add a period, how to add or delete a resource, how to manage the resource categories, the changes and report tabs, as well as how to allocate an owner to a room and set a notification. If you missed part 1, we cover how to book, move and delete bookings. Log in to Edulink One and select Resource Booking. To add a period outside of timetabled hours, for example Breakfast Club, click on the Add Period button. Next, select the day you would like to add a period to. Timetabled periods appear below this, along with their times. Select the start time and end time of your new period by clicking on the calendars. And provide the period with a name. Click Add Period to add it to the timetable. A green message will appear if you are successful. You can remove a period in a similar manner. Click on the Add Period button and select the period you wish to remove. Click on the red X and a message will confirm if you have removed the period. Add periods for non-timetabled days in the same way. Simply select the day beginning with NTT. This lets you add a period for weekends, holidays, and other non-timetabled occasions. To add or remove a resource, select the Add Room Resource button. A new window opens to show a list of resources and rooms. To add a new resource, provide a name for it. If what you are adding is a room, tick the Is Room box and select Add Resource. A green message will appear if you are successful. Removing a room or resource is similar. Click on the Add Room Resource button. Search for the resource you would like to remove and click on the red X. Note that you can only remove resources and rooms that are not timetabled. To manage categories and resources, click the Manage Categories button. You will see the categories and resources that you can oversee. Your school can customize the categories for your needs. To add a new category, type the name in the box and click Add Category. It will appear in the list. You can also add and manage resources related to each category by clicking on the blue Manage Resources button. Click the green check to add a resource to a category, and uncheck it to remove a resource from a category. Once you are finished, click the X. The Change tab informs you of any room changes or closures that have occurred. Room closures need to be done in the MIS, and the closure will be reflected in the Changes tab. The Report tab generates a report for a specific period of time. Input your dates at the top of the report. And each resource will be broken down into percentages, showing how often it is timetabled, how often it is booked, and the total usage of the resource. This may be very useful in determining which resources and rooms are in constant use, and where you may need to allocate additional resources. Managers can allocate an owner to a room or resource. For example, the library would belong to the librarian. Click on a cog in the booking table and fill in the required information. A blue information icon will appear next to the resource. Once clicked, the information inputted will appear. To set up a notification for room owners, go to the Edulink One administration area. Once in the Notification tab, click on the Create a New Rule button. Select Room Resource Booked from the Event Type box. Select the resource the notification is for. Then choose one of the following message types: push notification, SMS, text message, email, or push SMS to send using both methods. You can change the template body and template subject and include variables if you wish. You can revert back to the default if needed. A list of Edulink One variables is in our Knowledge Hub. Lastly, select the staff you would like the notification to go to, and if you would like it to include the owner. Click Save Rule, and then click Save. You will need to repeat this process for each resource and owner you need to inform. Thanks for watching. For more on resource bookings, including Part 1 of Managing Resource Booking, visit our Knowledge Hub at support.overnetdata.com.